Hello everyone. Well, I'm pretty stoked and excited that I finally was able to locate a 30-watt PD charger that was very compact. I did a review in the past about this Anker PD port charger. This was a 20 volt charger, and it pretty much powered everything that you could hook up a USB-C connection that supports power delivery. So this one's 20 watts. At 5 volts it was 3 amps. At 9 volts it's at 2.22 amps, which was fine. I mean, and it's small. It's super small. It's slightly bigger than the iPhone charger, a little charging brick that it comes with. But the only thing, nothing wrong with this 20 watt, but it was lacking in a little bit of power. So if you're a Microsoft Surface user, you'll understand my pain, because the hybrid tablet laptop is very sparse in connection ports. So it only has one USB port, no slot for expanded memory. So, and it uses a proprietary charging port. So ports are very limited, and leaving that charging port vacant just seems really wasteful. So they do sell this little adapter for the Surface, and this little adapter is the specification for this is that you would need to have a 3 volt, not 3 volt, 9 volt and 3 amps, which unfortunately the 20 watt Nano I 9 volts is at 2.2 amps, so it wasn't able to charge it enough. So let's see here, I'll show you real quick. We'll plug this up in here, and then usually there's a little light that will come on and it will power it up like so, which it doesn't. So I've gotten past that by purchasing the 45 watt Nano II, which has a fold out, but it is significantly larger than the 20 watt one. And I decided to get this one. Anker does sell a 30 watt with the flip out plug, but it is also close to the same size as the 45 watt, so that was a no-go. But I knew there was a 30 watt smaller brick out there, which I did find in Anker, and this one is the Anker 711 charger Nano II 30 watts. So this, I already opened it up, but just for this video we'll take it out and do a slight little unboxing. And guess what? Nano II 30 watts. So this wattage is the output 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps. So perfect. And power delivery could go up to 3 amps max as well. So if you compare it to the 20 watt original PD, it's just slightly bigger. So slightly bigger. And this is just absolutely perfect and what I was looking for. So we'll test it out. We'll plug it in. To the adapter. Bam. All right. So I'm going to plug it in to here. So, and let me show you. See how that little light comes on? That means it's charging it. And let me hover over the indicator. So right now it's plugged in. It's going to take a moment to determine how long it will take to charge this adapter. So 15 minutes at 92% to fully charge it. So game changer for me at least, and for possible Surface users. Get this adapter and get this Anker 30 watts nano charger, and you will be quite happy with it. Be sure not to get the Anker does sell a 30 watt that is that has a foldable prongs, but it is it's quite longer and not as compact. So be sure to get the one that doesn't have a folding prong, because that's the most compact that you will get it for. So what I mean by this being a game changer is that my little setup right here, I could usually carry around in a little pouch like this. Usually I'm using it to charge like my my phones, but it is nice to be able to be very minimalistic and be able to carry this. So I have a little phone stand and my Galaxy Buds in here, and it neatly fits. So I fit it in here like so. Very minimalistic. It fits in, and then this one kind of fits in like so. If you do it properly, it just fits very handy in this pouch. So I carry this around everywhere to use with my Galaxy Fold 5 device. But if I ever had to, I could also just carry around my my Surface laptop as well too. So be sure, if you're in the market, that you will be able be sure to get and if you want a compact one, be sure to get this one. So if you're wondering how this performs with a higher laptop. My work laptop is a Core i7, and let me boot it up real quick. And it does have, it is able to charge via USB-C. So we'll plug it up here, and then let's see how much it will charge. So right now, laptop's at 86. Let's wait a little bit, and they'll tell us how long it'll take to charge up at 86%. So yeah, for me, this is the perfect charger that I've been looking for. High and low, I've been looking high and low. So 86%, an hour and 21 minutes to fully charge, but from my experience, it really doesn't take an hour and 21 minutes. It'll take more like 30 minutes. That small little charger is that powerful. So this pretty much fits my needs. I can just carry my little carrying pouch and several laptops without breaking my back. So if you're in the market, I highly recommend getting the Anker Nano II 30-watt. Once again, be sure you're getting the Anker 7011 charger, Nano II 30-watt, the one without the folding prongs. That's the most compact that you're gonna get. This is probably the most compact 30-watt charger that you'll find on the market right now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.